Well, hey there, Ubuntu friends. We'd like to talk with you about a good catch that was made by a student, Jeff Rosinski. Thanks, Jeff, for pointing out that in my videos, and as well, he was having the same problem on his machine. He was getting a no Talloc stack frame error with leaking memory. And so it's kind of hard to reproduce, but you'll see it in some of the videos. Maybe you've already seen that. And I want to give you guys the simple solution to fix that. So a couple of things before we do that. First of all, you can see here my Samba version. This should be your version as well. By typing in SMB status, you'll be able to see your current version of Samba. Now, for some reason that I don't totally understand, Ubuntu and Samba are not really in sync. It looks like the guys who were syncing it up, the PPA, the repository, is just really not linked up, so that Ubuntu's latest version of Samba is 4.1.6. And I believe the latest version of Samba from source code, if we compiled from source, would be 4.1.13. So we have a little bit of a dilemma there. Luckily, we can disable a feature that not a lot of people use in order to remove the no Talloc stack frame error. Okay, so if you want to remove that error, we can remove something that's called password synchronization. Password synchronization basically means that the Unix user password and the Samba password for Samba users will stay in sync, so that if a user changes their Unix password, their Samba password will also change, and vice versa. So we can keep those in sync. Now, this is not a feature that I use very often. If it's a feature you think you'll be using, you would want to install 4.1.13 from source, because I do believe that the Samba team has addressed this bug, as it is a bug in the Samba software. Specifically, it's going to be a bug in a particular package of Samba called libpam-smb-pass. And so we have a really easy fix for this here by disabling password synchronization. So again, I'm just going to type it out here in case you're curious about the package, libpam-smb-pass. Now, you can simply remove this package, but that always makes me nervous, personally, removing packages that are a part of another package I'm going to keep using, another software program, in this case, Samba. So you could actually remove that, but instead, I'm going to show you how to run a command and disable that feature, which I feel a lot more comfortable with. So you're going to want to run pam-auth update, sudo pam-auth update. And then what you're going to be doing is removing SMB password synchronization. So you see that there, SMB password sync. Hit the space bar to uncheck it. And then we can simply hit the enter key. And we would want to give the service a restart here. So to do that, we just want to run sudo service samba restart. And the service Samba service has been restarted. We can, of course, check its status here and make sure that it's actually running. And it is running. So that's the solution. Remember that, of course, you could also install the latest version of Samba from source code. But instead, if you're not planning on using Samba password authentication, as I don't typically use, this solution will be successful for you.